My name is Jessica Lambert, and I am talking about Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. This theory was developed in 1983 by Howard Gardner. This theory proposed that there are 8 intelligences that account for a broader range of intelligence within adults and children. Children and adults are not limited to strength in one intelligence, but can have strength in multiple intelligences. Gardner believed that understanding the different intelligence was important because teachers need to know how children learn, how people represent things within their own minds, and how people use these intelligences to show what they have learned. He believed that the traditional method of lecturing was not sufficient for all children, and that just because a child was not considered intelligent in the traditional ways of linguistic and mathematical instances, instead they could be intelligent in one of the 6 other intelligences. The 8 intelligences are linguistic intelligence. These are the students who love and may be successful at reading and writing in your classroom. Logical mathematical. These students love solving problems and learning new math equations. Spatial intelligence. These students may become future architects and love 3D models. Body kinesthetic are students who learn through movement and have good understandings of their own movements. Musical intelligence. These students love to learn through songs and spend their time singing around the classroom. Interpersonal intelligence. These students are your social butterflies and can understand the feelings of those around them. Intrapersonal intelligence. These students understand what is going on with themselves personally and may be better at individual work. Lastly, naturalist intelligence. These students love the outdoors and understand concepts when they are related to nature. Gardner really stresses the importance of using this theory in the classroom to understand your students and the multiple intelligences they may have. An example is your class is working on multiplication facts. You provide a sheet of paper with the facts written, a chart that shows the facts, and a song to help with learning the facts. This is an example of using multiple intelligences. This uses logical mathematical, spatial, and music intelligences. Teaching each lesson using multiple intelligences allows more students to be able to understand and apply what they have learned. It also allows you to see each of your students in a new, unique way. Learning more about your students and the way they might be showing you the progress they have made in the classroom through their own unique intelligences. Here are my resources. Thank you for watching.